Today our file management chapter start is the file operation. First we are discussion what is file operation. Then what is file operation? The action that we can perform on the file are called file operation. The action that we can perform on the file are called file operation. Then the names of different file operation is creating of files, then it's copying of files, opening of files, moving of files, then next is deleting of files, renaming of files, then restoring of files, sorting of files, and searching of files. These operations then this perform action are known as file operation. File operation. First we are discussing file operation is how to create a file or how to create a folder. If you create a file, then steps is first is right click on the desktop or right click on the window, then is appear the different menus. This type of menu are appears, then you click on new, then appears the some sub menus, then here you select with a Microsoft Word document, options, then type the name of document and type the name of file. Then same type of create also folder, right click the mouse, then appear the some options, then option with you select new, then select is folder, then also create of folder. File is store data, folder is store files. Then suppose if you create a file, how to open and how to save the data. First double click on the files, then open the file. After typing you press Ctrl S for save the data. The next is for file operation of copying file. Suppose if you create a files and save it, then that file you want to copy to another location. Suppose if you create a file with a hard disk, then that is how you send to your pen drive. Either copy the file, either you save a file on the desktop, that is a change as the another location. Then first step is select the file you want to copy. Select the file means first only mouse click on the file. This type is a selection. Only mouse click means this type of blue color means selecting. Then is again right click the mouse on the file, then appear some options, then here you select copy. Then is right click the mouse on the file name, then a menu with appears, then you select copy. Either you can press Ctrl C with shortcut, then go to the location and you press with Ctrl V to for paste. Either next is go to the location, then is right click the mouse, then you select paste. Right click the mouse, here is this type of given, select paste. This type you can also copy and paste file. Next is 4 number is file operation of how to moving the file. Moving the file means one location to transfer another location are called moving. Transfer the file from one location to another location. Moving a file means shifting it from its original location to another location are called moving file. Then which type of step to apply for moving file? First right click on the file, then appear with some menus, you select cut. Then again require value paste, go to the location, then again right click you select paste. Again you select paste. Then same type, fifth operation is, suppose if you save a file but you want to delete. Delete means remove from the disk, are known as delete. Okay. Then if necessary, how to delete a file. Step 1 is select the file you want to delete. Means only mouse click on that file. Then right click the mouse, select delete. Then appear a message with a confirmation yes or no. If a confirmation, then you select yes. If no delete, then with you select no. Either another step is press the delete key from the keyboard. From the delete key on the keyboard, then appear with the yes or no. If you can delete, then yes. If you not delete, then be no. This process with you can remove a file from the disk. Then next 6 number operation is how to renaming a file. Renaming means what? To change the one name to another name are called renaming of file. Rename means to change of the file. Then which type of step you can apply? First right click on the file, then menu appears, then you select rename. Here select rename. Then after rename appear with the blue mark. Here to remove, press you press, then enter a name, then press enter key. Type a name, gets highlighted. After typing the name and press enter key, then it will change the file name. It will be change the file name. This process with you can also operation of renaming of a file. Next is restoring file. Restoring file means what? Suppose you by mistakenly delete a file, but you want to recover the delete file. Recover the delete file and known as restore the file. Restore means again recover the file. Then which type of steps you apply for restore the delete file? First is go to the desktop, then on the desktop right click, then go to recycle bin. Okay, open the recycle bin on the desktop, then select the file you want to restore, then right click the mouse on the file, then select restore. Restore means where is deleted, automatically that file is stored. This type you can select restore. Restore means automatically that file again stored in the original place. Okay, next is finding file. Finding file means what? To for searching a file. To for searching a file are known as finding a file. Then if you want to search a file, click on start button. There is the search box. Then search box you type the file name, then click on search. Click on means automatically searching of the files, then display with the files on the window. Then next is sorting the file. Sorting means arranging the file, the order of ascending or descending. Arrange of the data or arrange of the file ascending or descending are known as order. Then this sort the file can use of by name, by date, by type and by size. By name means data can by name. By name means data can arrange with the name wise. Data can arrange with the name wise. Then click on the name tab, then highlighted the pictures, this type of arrange of the name. Then same type you can select with alphabetical A to Z, arrange with A to Z. If you select Z to A, then with arrange with Z to A with order of files. Same type sort by filter on the name. Filter on the name means same type of filter, remove the unwanted contents. When we know what we want, we can apply filter for the our criteria. This type you can also filtering of the files, means remove of unwanted contents. Next is you can also sort the data by modification. Modified with you can also use to arrange the file order of the date, and they are the last modification which day with it save, that type of can modify. Same type sort by type, then to arrange the file by their format type of can it save. Next sort by size. Size means the byte wise, the byte or kilobyte wise it can, or megabyte wise it can sort. First is sort with byte, then sort with kilobyte, then sort with megabyte. This type of arrange of the files are known as sort by size. Okay. The next is transfer the file from one drive to another drive. Transfer the file from one drive to another drive means, suppose the save of the file from hard disk, you want to change to pen drive or other drive. This also you can use copy and paste. Either open the PC, then file explorer, then is the open the drive, then you can use with any type of dragging, double click, open that drive, then select the file in the C drive or folder, then drag the select file to the window of pen drive. Okay, you select and drag to pen drive folder, then also it moved. Either you can use copy and paste for Control C, Control V, Control C, then you can Control V also you can use for you want to copy the file to pen drive. This type also process with you can transfer the file from one drive to another drive. Next is file searching. File searching means same type before we are discussion, finding the file are known as file searching. You can also type the file name in search window, then is the correct name with match, then is the search of file. If no match, then it does not find any file with the name, then an error message, no match found. If correct name you type, then is the search. If not type the correct file name, it display with a search name not found. Then you can easily search the file of the drives using of file searching window. Next is what is wildcard character. Wildcard character means to specified character with can finding the files are known as wildcard character. There are two types of wildcard character. One is star and question mark. Star means the indicates a combination of any number of character, but question mark means to the particular letter. This is the difference between star and question mark. Star means all of characters, then question mark means only specified letters. Then pass star means only the first letter start with the pass, then rest is any type. But star pass means first is anything, but last is only pass, ending with only pass. Same type star and pass and star means before is any character, ending with any character, but middle with only pass. Same type pass question mark means name that pass only character after the any type of characters. Then question mark pass means which character you type, then is the last with a pass. This type you can also searching with the file with the two characters star and question mark. This is the operation of files. Okay, then these steps you can practice how to create a file with the different steps. I am also send that steps. Either you can refer the books, you can also full practice how to with the create file, how to opening the file, how to copying file, then moving file. This operation is the full practice.